So I'm Jaleesa. I am a writer first and foremost, and I am also Cubana and a self-proclaimed chonga. It means everything to me. I embrace it to the fullest. I'm proud to be Latina, and I love telling people about it and expressing myself and letting it influence my style and everything I do. As you can see, I got my big hoops on, I got my chains on. This is like a Cuban staple, our nameplates with it. I got the Cuban chain link. I love being bright and colorful. I mean, tie-dye is one of my things. I just love being loud in every way. I uplift my community by using my voice and my bilingual capabilities to infuse the Latino voice into my writing and make sure that we're all being heard. I would just love for the beauty industry to be more inclusive. I would love to see more Latina-owned companies, like people putting spotlights on Latina beauty influencers. I think that there just needs to be more inclusivity, more diversity, more skin tones, more body types. That is what the beauty is of beauty. This is a time of unity, really shine a light on our ancestors and all the contributions that Latinos have made to the world and society, and I feel like it's important to highlight our unique struggle and all that we have overcome to be where we are today.